Retention analytics help organizations to proactively take steps to retain high-value talent and address engagement issues or reduce the impact of loss before an employee has made up their mind to leave the organization. Let's take a look at how we do this. This visualization also uses 2 data points. The first is impact of loss. If you ask this question without clear criteria, you'll get far too many people identified as having a high impact of loss, because losing any team member means the pain of replacement for a manager. So we've provided some questions here that can help you to standardize the criteria and not only differentiate impact of loss, but also understand why the impact is high so that you can design some actions specifically to reduce or eliminate the possibility of that impact taking place. The second data point is level of engagement. There's plenty of research to prove that higher levels of engagement reduce turnover. Ideally, you need data at an individual level. Often this is not available because your engagement surveys are often anonymous and refer to group data. But even a manager's perception can be a useful starting point if you ask this question. These 2 additional data points, combined with the talent risk matrix and the talent segmentation model, provide invaluable insight into retention risk. The point is that retention should be focused on the individual, not on a group. For example, this visualization highlights individuals where the impact of loss would be high and engagement is low. Now in this case, one person is an executive and the other is a low performer. You immediately see where to focus your attention. Some of the questions you can think about here are: can we currently identify high retention risk individuals? Are you proactively managing the retention of specific individuals, or are you using anonymous engagement data from group surveys? The third question: do you have a risk mitigation strategy in place to reduce or eliminate the impact of someone leaving unexpectedly? And who would benefit most from this particular conversation? The obvious answer might be your HR colleagues in remuneration and compensation, but many organizations also have risk management functions now. And this could be an opportunity to share your HR insights with your colleagues outside of HR. The more people have eyes on the data, the more likely it is to be maintained and actioned.